Where are we?
Back at our favorite place again, Waffle House.
Starting off the morning right. Always got to come to the old Waffle House when you're out of Michigan. Lauren's favorite restaurant. She'd literally pick this restaurant anytime, night, day, it doesn't matter. Dave, how's the weather looking for today?
Well, I made a snowball already, and it's April.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of seat time today, right?
Oh, a lot. The Corvette barely wants to run.
Yeah, it's going to be awful.
Look at his new cams that we just put in last night.
Yeah,
those sound good.
They're the Shrek Ogre cams. It's a new spec from a custom company. Media guys, big shout out to them for wanting to take pictures today because, I don't know, you got to be on some type of crack to want to take pictures in this shitty weather. But yeah, it's supposed to snow for quite a while today. We'll see how many laps or how long we actually end up deciding to stay here today.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful out here. Look, they're setting up the portable hotel room. What do you think, Titman? Are you so excited to drift? It's snowing and the weather's supposed to be shit all day, so this is gonna be super sick. Big Dilly's rig. We're gonna check the rear trailing arm brackets in my car because it felt like it wanted to do a little bit of like, you drive it, we'd just be doing this for no reason over 50. So maybe the rear trailing. What? Oh yeah, dude. I got him from a homeless dude.
No, you did.
Yeah, I did.
I've been there from the Tennessee.
No.
Because I've been thinking about looking for them for about a month.
Nah.
I've been thinking about, I'm like, man, I wonder if I still have them.
No, they're
I've
gone.
been texting Lauren, like, where are they at?
All right, we're getting ready to go out for the first time today. It's super cold. It's like 37. This probably isn't even right. It's colder than that. It was just snowing. We'll just go out and try to have some fun. What's going on, guys? I haven't really filmed much because it's just been raining and snowing and shitty out. It's finally starting to stop, so maybe it'll dry up a little bit. We've done some wet laps, but it's probably not going to be anything entertaining enough to throw in there for you guys. I haven't gone through like any tires because obviously it's wet. We got everybody cuddled up in here. What's up, dude? Everybody's in the little heater cat. You see all the oil on the track?
No, you're ready.
All right, let's hear the M50
right.
intake swap on the M54 B30.
First time out in the B30. We did the M50 swap, and I'm not gonna lie, the internet, I've seen a couple different things. I've seen good, I've seen bad, but it rips. I noticed a huge difference. Second gear, she's just hanging. She loves it. Got all the throttle, dude. It's worth it. I definitely feel it in the top end.
You like it better?
Yeah, definitely.
Loss of torque down low, like they say, or no?
Not really. No, it's hard to gauge because it's wet out, you know, but when it was dry earlier, it's a little patchy, but you could feel it. Just night and day difference for me personally.
I'm gonna have to get the M50 on mine. I have a manifold and all the setup from Seems Legit Garage to do it. I just haven't done it yet because I'm lazy. and I went aired up my tires because I thought I was gonna be driving in the dry. Yeah, my crinkle. And then by the time I got in line and grid, it started snowing super hard. So now we're driving in the wet again. It is what it is. Me and Dylan are following each other kind of loosely. Just because it's wet out.
Brake and axle?
I think so. At least it's an axle only.
Yee!
Yeah.
Good content.
I'm just glad it's not a dip. Oh well. So I broke an axle. Super cool. Luckily it's not a dip for once. It's a big plus. Broke right here at the joint. You see that? Broke right there. All right, Dylan, we're loaded up. Rig is.
We went mudding earlier. That's pretty fun.
Yeah, Dylan did. There's a 2-track right by here, and he put that thing in low gear and just started shifting
Put her
gears.
in that low gear. She was pulling right through that mud like ain't I stout on my life.
We had a casualty with an axle, which I think I threw it in the trunk. It was actually a pretty gnarly casualty. Blew it right out the end.
Another casualty.
Yeah, I forgot. The exhaust broke when I was pushing it down to make it clear.
What we want to do is actually trailer it with a bunch of metal.
Right by the battery? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, not like this.
No, it's fine. They're not live, dude. Jordan's Laurel from braking. Look at that. This thing lights up at nighttime. It's got reflective livery on it. This thing's pretty sick. Jordan's a big baller, but yeah, we're pretty much wrapped up here, getting ready to make the 4-hour trek home. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching these, liking them, leaving criticism, whatever, I don't know. I'm tired, it's been a long day, and we still got a 4-hour drive. So thanks guys, catch you again soon.